as promised, I have the Heinz So Delicious mayo, and I'm going to use it for my grilled cheese sandwiches for my kids. So here we go. And I had got this from pinchme.com for a sample. So you just want to squeeze a dollop on one part, on both sides of your bread, for the outer crust, not on the inside with the cheese, but only for the outer part. See how lovely that spreads? See that? Yeah. Alright, so this is my first time trying the so creamy, delicious Heinz mayo, courtesy of pinchme.com. You squeeze another dollop on there, and this is going to be my outer crust. Okay, I already have butter in the pan. I got my sliced cheese, American cheese, or you can use shredded Mexican mixed cheese, whatever you prefer, whatever you like with your cheese. So both of these have the outer mayo on the outside of the bread, but not on the inside. Now I'm getting ready to transfer it to the pan. Okay, so next up, I have my butter. Next up, I have my mayo from Heinz, so creamy, and I'm going to lay it down just like so on the pan. So the outer crust right now is getting crispy. Okay, so I have that crisping right now, and the packet that PinchMe had sent me for the sample of the So Creamy mayonnaise was enough to do 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. Okay, so second part is the cheese that I have right here, American sliced cheese from Kraft. I'm going to put this on, and like I said, you can use any type of cheese that you prefer. And this is honey wheat bread. Okay, so I have, sorry about that finger. Okay, so I have the grilled cheese. I have the 3 slices of the Kraft American cheese, and then I'm just going to flip this like so. And look at that! Oh, beautiful! And I have this cooking on low. Okay, so low is about between 2 and 3 on your stove top. Nice, beautiful crust. Got that grill griddle, give it the grill marks. And you can hear it. You hear that? So you know it's crispy. Okay, so I'm just going to smash it down like so. And you don't have to use 3 cheeses. If you want to, you can. And that's my son in the background. You want to, and he's hungry because he smells his grilled cheese and eggs. All right. Okay, so you want to let us know how the grilled cheese tastes? Okay. You say yeah, good. All right. So let's just do a little flip because that's been cooking on one side. Oh yeah, he has eggs too. He wanted grilled cheese and eggs. So yes,
that's like a breakfast.
Yeah, it's like a breakfast. You can eat breakfast in the evening time. Okay, y'all. So I love what it is doing. I love how crispy it sounds, and I love that golden crust that the So Creamy mayo from Heinz did for my grilled cheese. Now we're gonna eat and enjoy. So you can see. So here is the end result of the grilled cheese. See that? Ooey gooey, ooey gooey, ooey grilled cheese.
Hey guys, this is my sorry.
This is your review for the So Creamy mayo with grilled cheese. Alright, let's yeah.
So this is what it looks like, and I got this juice.
Is it nice and crunchy?
Yeah. That's really cheesy. And this is like a cheesy breakfast, right?
Yeah, but you're having it for dinner.
Yeah.
Yum. So do you like that so creamy mayo on your bread?
No.
Yeah, because it made it crunchy. Alright. He likes it.
And the egg.
And the eggs, he's talking about his eggs.
So when I do my eggs, I feel like sweet sauce in my head, okay? See? And, okay. So, it's really good.
It's really good.
And we want to see me eat this. For, like, breakfast, you would do a video of this. But this is the dinner one. Oh.
Yeah, you can hear the crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. Alright, so thank you for tuning into my channel. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.